Very good 2G, excellent. आइए सर, your putt to half. Well done. So this hole was even. Now we're going on the next hole. Next hole should be from here to there. या यहीं से हमेशा ये स्टार्ट ऐसे ही करें होल से. Yes, that's what you will get on the course. It's actually misread. It's right to left. You gotta hit way to the right. The ball's gonna curve. हाँ ऐसे होता है. The first player when hits, the second can see and you still need to get more right, sir. Yeah. Good putt. It's first time I'm seeing you hitting slightly short. Otherwise, all your putts are over.
Sometime, yeah.
Excellent line, but just not enough speed. Putt to win for you, sir. थोड़ा सा right है. Yeah. Wonderful, sir. क्या बात है. Now you're one up. Now you will start the next hole because you won the hole.
Okay.
So the winner gets the honor. आइएगा यहाँ से to that next hole.
Which actually is not an honor क्योंकि इस तरह की गेम में रीड मुझे मिल जाएगी.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one, जी. Again, it's to the right of the hole, towards the parking. This side, little more that side. देखें आप खड़ी लेफ्ट थे. Your pace was good. Pace management is excellent now. See, one thing is very improved now, that your pace management. Now the
Maybe
next thing
under
is
pressure.
line.
I'm surprised.
परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं.
I don't, but I'm surprised.
Some golfers, they play good in competitions. Competitive. Yeah, that looks very good.
Whoa.
That looks good. Excellent putt. Excellent. Chale. Shams saab, your putt. You gotta make this putt to half the hole. Slightly right को आइएगा. Looks good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, that's given to you. Let's go to the next one. Ji, so you're still one down. Let's go to the next one. You still continue, sir.
अच्छा.
If he would win the hole, then he will start.
Okay.
So you continue until it's going half. That's the way it goes.
So this is
Slightly right. This
left
side.
to right or right to left?
Right to left. No, more right. Little bit more. Yeah, that looks good. Now it's slightly uphill as well. Now you could afford to hit it slightly hard. As I said, uphill. Uphill means you gotta hit it. Aye, Osman Saab. Line was beautiful. Was very correct.
बड़ी पक्की आपने कोचिंग की है.
Sir, I spend more time with him than anybody else now. When he comes to club, he calls me. He said, "You be with me."
ये मेरी इनकी बॉल को तो नहीं लगेगी.
नहीं लगेगी. उमर को प्लीज़ वहाँ खड़े हो जाएं. अगर बॉल आए तो हटा देना आप खुल के मारें. नो प्रॉब्लम. यू वोंट हिट द बॉल. बॉल आने लगे तो हटा देना. apart, but you also hit it slightly short. Line was excellent.
पता चल गया था कम है
चले वो उस्मान साहब की बॉल मार्क करें. You have marker? Always have one coin in your pocket. Okay, sir. You hit that slightly right of that coin. That is your line.
Sorry.
Slightly right of the coin. थोड़ा सा right हो जाए और. Wonderful. Didn't hit it enough.
अगर थोड़ा सा और होता सीधी
Yeah.
चली जाती
Okay, you got a putt to win now. This putt is for win. You can't do that. Not allowed, Usman Sahab.
वो नहीं कर सकते
You can't fix anything or drag your putter in front of the ball or break anything alive. Like sometime, sir, can you show me a putter? Let me show you something. Like you will see a grass is slightly high. Some golfers they do this.
वो नहीं कर
Not allowed. You can do this, but drag it big time. Like you need to drag big time. If you just do press, that's not allowed. So let's just keep.
तो मैंने क्या किया ड्रैग किया प्रेस किया
थोड़ा सा press किया, then dragged it. जी.
Half point cut this.
नहीं, there's no point cut. Go ahead and try to make the putt to win the hole. No problem. Let's be a nice sports people.
Oh my God! Yeah. that
Chale, this hole was
so-
half.
So close.
So now we go up
इवन हो गया
even. So you still one down. Let's hit this one, Ji.
Which one? This one?
That one, yeah. Margala Hills.
This is left to right.
Slightly left to right and uphill. hai. It's pretty much uphill. When we say uphill, 4x4 gear.
I can't actually gauge.
So now you see, we worked on hitting it slightly
On
softer.
the pressure.
Yeah, no problem. कोई बात.
Wow. Ah.
Good effort. Good brave putt. Pass the hole. That is a better putt. Leaving it short is slightly regretful. Again, you got short. Putt to win.
Oh, this was fun. Oh,
Very
yes.
nice. Now it is even Steven. So we're gonna play the last hole. Either खेलें wherever you want. You will start now.
Your call.
We can go there. We can go there. Out of those two, anywhere you want.
कौन सा आप बताएं
Either that hole or this hole. You can
No,
you can choose, sir. No problem. I would suggest that one because you'll get those sort of putt on the course. So this will be a deciding hole. Anybody wins will win the match. It's a pretty big slice putt. Left से बहुत right जाएगा ball. काफी curve करेगा.
Left to right.
Yes, slice.
Yes.
Looks good.
Yes.
Looks good. बस थोड़ा speed कम है. Speed कम थी. You read very well.
अब मेरा खतरा ये है कि स्पीड बहुत ज्यादा हो.
कोई बात नहीं sir. Don't worry about it. Let's just enjoy the match.
Yeah, yeah, that's all right.
It's a very tough hole. Actually, you had a speed, but then open the putter face. Now you will putt again.
Enjoying the weather.
It is very pleasant now. After that 5 wood you hit. You hit that 5 wood so good it brought the cool winds. Chale, go ahead, sir. Your part.
Oh, my part.
Yeah. Now you don't have to play big time left. Just on the edge of the hole. Good effort. Good effort. Usman Saab, putt to win. Match decider. Left to right. Slightly on the left edge. Wow, you hit it so hard. It was downhill. Yeah, no.
फैक्टर मैंने नहीं
Usman Saab ka putt hai. Yeah, he's far. He's far.
I have to get this in, otherwise I lose.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Oof. Oof.
Okay. So now putt to win for Shamsab.
ये तो फिर
This will win you the match. Excellent, Ji. Shake hands together. Very nice. Good contest. Decided on the last hole. Wonderful. Both my students, Ji, I'm proud of both of them.
एक और चीज सर
They've
रिकॉर्डिंग कैमरा चाइना का है
नहीं